So in this problem, we have two scenarios. The first one is when Mr. Bird arrives at his workplace 3 minutes late. So that's the 3-minute late. And he drove at 40 miles per hour. The other one is when he drives at 60 miles per hour and he arrives 3 minutes early. And so the key thing is that these times are relative to how long it would take him so that he arrives on time. So I'm going to call that time t minutes that he needs to drive at a certain speed so that he arrives at time. Now, in all these cases, he's leaving at 8 a.m. And the question is, what is the speed that we need here? And so if the time is t, for which he arrives there on time, these times relative to t, this would be t plus 3 more minutes, because he's late there. And here would be t minus 3, where t is referring to the time he needs to arrive on time. So the distance is the same in all these cases. So the first relationship here would be distance is rate times time, 40 times t plus 3. And here, this is in miles per hour, and that time is in minute. But we can keep it for now the same, meaning if this is, we'll have to take into account the conversion, but for now we'll just leave it that way. And then for the second one would be 60 times t minus 3. And these two are equal because we're referring to the same distance. So we can actually solve for t by equating that. And we don't have to worry about the units here because the speed is the same and the t is in minutes, so the answer would come out correctly. Reduce this 2 and 3 and then distribute 2t plus 6 is equal to 3t minus 9. Subtract 2t, so that's t, and then add 9 to both sides. 9 moves over here. T is 15 minutes. So he needs to arrive here in 15 minutes. Now what we're going to do is to find the distance and then compute the speed from there. So I'll just use either one of these equations. So it's 40 miles per hour, and I'm going to convert that into miles per minute. So an hour is 60 minutes, and then t plus 3t is 15, so this is 18 minutes. So that would give me distance in miles. And I reduce that. 6 goes into 18 3 times. So the distance is 12 miles, and his speed, he needs to cover 12 miles in 15 minutes. So that would be 12 miles over 15 minutes, which as a fraction of an hour. So this would convert it into an hour. Basically, it's a fourth of an hour. So 12 miles over a fourth of an hour, that would be 12 times 4 is equal to 48 miles per hour. So he needs to drive at a rate of 48 miles per hour to reach work exactly on time. So the correct answer is B.